guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can apply this really cool shadow flow video effect to your videos in CapCut PC. So go to effects and just type in the word shadow flow. It is a pro feature. I'm just going to tell you that right now. You're just going to then select it and you're going to apply it to your video. You can adjust like how intense you want this to be, like the strength here, the noise as well as the range. You can also like turn off the filter because that's a little bit too bright. And here is what your video should look like once it's all finished. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!